Hello, my fellow PICTians. My name is Neha Jaju. I graduated from PICT in 2021 and now working at Acquia as an associate software engineer. I'm sure that a lot of you must be in a state where choosing the right organization to begin your career with must be stressing you out. Been there. So I thought, why don't I share with you some key factors that I found in Acquia and are really worth considering when you join any organization. Learning opportunities, which I think is extremely important, especially as a fresher, as this kind of lays the foundation for your career. Looking at Acquia's history, you'll realize that in just a short period of time, their growth is remarkable. They are already a leader in what they do. One thing I realized after joining Acquia is that they truly consider their employee as their greatest asset. And I was able to witness it right from my onboarding process, where they made sure that I have a smooth transition from a college graduate to a working professional. My advice to anyone looking to join Acquia would be, don't be afraid to ask any questions. Everyone here truly believes that no question is a silly one. The more you ask, the more you learn. That being said, all the best to all, and really looking forward to seeing some of you here soon.
Hello everyone, I am Rituja Dhinte, working as an associate estate. I am a 2020 graduate and now a part of Acquia family. Well, I would like to say I am a proud PICTN and a proud Acquian. I was at the same place a year ago, so I can understand how many confusions and challenges could be there while looking for an organization to work with. It's everybody's dream to work with market-leading organization that can provide us an opportunity to work on cutting-edge technologies. I believe Acquia is one of those workplaces. We work in agile fashion while playing with Kubernetes, Docker, and cloud, which all could be fascinating to the techies like you all. Another interesting thing about Acquia is its global culture. As you all know, when I is replaced with we, illness becomes wellness, right? We before me is at the heart of Acquia. And who doesn't like to get an appreciation and bonus list for the significant contribution that you make? So I would encourage you all to have an experience with the organization that provides digital experiences to the world. Wish you all the best, and I hope to see some of you here soon.
Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Pode and I'm currently working as an associate software engineer in the Drupal acceleration team. So let's get down to the real question. Why would you want to join Acquia? Well, Acquia provides you with an opportunity to work on open source, and I personally find it cool. And Acquia is a people-first company. Also, you will absolutely love the people here. They're the most talented and helpful lads I've ever worked with. Now, some of you might be tense that all of your friends are getting placed and you're not. But trust me, your hard work will pay off. All right? And some of you will eventually join Acquia. So, the one advice I want to give you is, whenever in doubt, just ask. Don't be shy. Don't think it's a silly question or anything. There is no such thing as a silly question at Acquia. All right? And I hope to work with some of you in the future. Well, that's about it from my side, and best of luck, everyone.
Hello everyone. My name is Kunal Sajdev and I have joined Acquia as an associate software engineer in Drupal acceleration team. There are many reasons to join Acquia, such as the nice work culture here at Acquia with employees at its heart. And then you also get an opportunity to work on some solutions that are truly game-changing for many customers. The one thing which I like the most about Acquia is that you get to learn from some intelligent folks with amazing stories and experiences. To anyone considering joining Acquia, I would say that it is a great organization to kickstart your career. And yeah, I am really excited to see some of you joining Acquia.
Hey guys, I am Ashay Koradia, an associate quality engineer working under the Drupal Cloud team here at Acquia. I wanted to reach out to you guys and share with you my journey and my experience so far. Whenever you start with your first company, it's always tricky because all the things are new to you. And I feel Acquia does a great job in smoothing this out for you. Whenever you will be joining, you are definitely going to network a lot. So you will be meeting Muktesh, who is our country head. You will be meeting John. You will be meeting Dries, who is our co-founder and CTO. You'll also be meeting people who are working on other teams, so you have an idea of the other products as well. I think the best part of working at Acquia, I would say its culture and the people I meet here. And these are the most important aspect I think you should consider as well before joining any organization, because at the end you are going to work in a team, and in a team environment what matters are not the individual skills but the interaction, and that makes the team successful. Something that I learned after joining Acquia and listening from people over here. Lastly, for your placements, I would say over the time, yes, it does get difficult and you do stress out, but don't forget why you started. Don't forget that you enjoy the coding and that's why you are all into this. So all the best for your exams and thank you guys.